In this video, I'll make $3,000 from $80 with the help of two indicators, and to find out how I did it, watch the video until the end, guys. So guys, today we will try a very specific strategy, MACD plus RSI. So let's pick these indicators and the MACD and the RSI later. We don't change anything on the MACD. The default settings will work, but what concerns the RSI, we set the period to 8, and I guess we'd better change the color of the oversold zone and make it red just for the comfort. How do we open position? You know, as always, we are looking for the crossing of the moving average on the MACD. Also, pay attention to the line on the RSI when it touches the oversold or overbought zones, and also when the line crosses the level 50, it will show the market sentiment. So not to mention that we should never forget about the support and resistance zones. And let's get started, guys. So guys, let's open a long position. It's quite simple. What do we see? There is a positive histogram on the MACD and at the same time the crossing of the moving average, and they are facing up. So the upward price dynamics is very likely to happen. And by the way, we see this red candle here. Correction should be over now and the price will go to the upside. And look at this strong support zone here. And not to mention that the rebound from the level 50 on the RSI is about to happen. So we count on that, guys. Let's see. And there we go, our position had a closed in profit. So I've got $500 on my balance, and let's continue our trading session. So let's open the long position right way, and we can't miss that change. We observe the crossing of the moving average on the MACD, and the positive histogram just show up and the price is likely to move up. The moving average is near the oversold zone on the RSI, and the rebound should happen in any second. And if you look on the chart, we see this strong downward dynamics and then this accumulation zone, and eventually this price breakout will happen. I have no doubt about it. And there we go, the breakout is happening, guys, and there are almost $1,000 on the balance. Let's continue our trading session. Let's open a short position. Let me explain, guys. Here is the crossing of the moving average on the MACD, and they are facing downwards now. At the same time, the negative histogram just show up, and we see the reversal on the RSI. So the line was close to the overbought zone, and now is high time to change direction. And if you look at the chart, the accumulation zone has been formed here. At the same time, we see this resistance zone, after which we expect to see good correction, guys. And let's see, guys. And our position is in a profit. I've got $1,600 on the balance, and let's continue analyzing. Let's open a short position, guys. If you look at the chart, we see this strong resistance zone here. After it's touching, the price started going down, and it should go even lower despite the bullish moments here, because there was the growth in the MACD and then this negative dynamics, and also the moving average on the RSI is facing downwards and is about to break this level 50 and move closer to the oversold zone. And yep, I've got almost $3,000 on the balance. Let's continue making money, guys. Let's open a long position, guys. The principle is exactly the same. So the first thing to pay attention is the crossing on the MACD, and the positive dynamics just show up, and it should gain moments, that's for sure. At the same time, we observe the rebound from the level 50 on the RSI, so obviously a good pullback is very likely to happen. Here is the inception of the new candle, and let's watch, guys. Our position and profit again. I think a good breakout will happen very soon, and let's continue the trading session. And let's open two short position, guys. This pair looks good, and I'm going to show you one more time. We see the crossing of the moving average on the MACD. At the same time, here is a strong accumulation zone, and it seems like the price is going to drop a little bit. At the same time, the moving average broke the level 50 on the RSI, and it should move down. Let's watch. Meanwhile, our position ended up in profit and I've got $7,000 on the balance, and let's open the final position. Let's open our short position here. The new candle just show up and we see the crossing on the MACD and the moving average on the RSI is facing down, and basically the prices will go down. It's possible, then we are not going to see high volatility here, but anyway, we caught a nice rate entry level. And let's watch, guys. Our position is in profits again, guys. Let's withdraw the profit. $12,400 to my Bitcoin address. One moment, guys. And press the continue button. The withdrawal request has been sent. I'll attach the screen as always. This strategy is not that difficult, guys, and it works. So thanks for watching, good luck and trading, bye bye.